Splash out. To spend a lot of money on something special. I splashed out on a new phone. She splashed out on a birthday gift. Whip up. To quickly make or prepare something, especially food. I'll whip up some tea for you. Mom whipped up some pancakes for breakfast. Sip on. To drink something slowly. She sipped on her tea quietly. He likes to sip on coffee in the morning. Boil over. To get very angry. He boiled over with anger during the meeting. Her temper boiled over when she heard the news. Think up. To create or invent an idea in your mind. Can you think up a name for our team? They thought up a plan to help. Kick back. To relax and rest after work or stress. We kicked back and watched a movie. After work, I just want to kick back on the sofa. Break up. To break something into small pieces. The old table broke up when he sat on it. He broke up the big rock with a hammer. Rush in. To enter a place or situation too quickly. He rushed in to help his friend. They rushed in when they heard someone scream. throw away. To put something in the trash. I threw away the broken toy. Don't throw away that box. We can use it later. Sort out. To organize or fix something. I need to sort out my clothes. She sorted out the papers on her desk.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!